This is a short video about the Federal Aviation Administration's Noise Policy Review. It answers the question, why is FAA conducting this noise policy review, and presents the purpose of the series of videos that follows and describes what is covered by the videos. The FAA initiated a review of our noise policy as part of our ongoing commitment to address aviation noise. This effort builds on our work to advance the scientific understanding of noise impacts, as well as the development of analytical tools and technologies. The Noise Policy Review is considering new evidence from the agency's noise research program, including from the Neighborhood Environmental Survey and the distribution of environmental risks, trade-offs, or externalities across communities. The FAA has issued a Federal Register notice soliciting public input for changes to our noise policy. This is one in a series of PowerPoint videos designed to provide some context for citizen reviewers to better understand the science, our policy options, and how you can provide input to our process. The goals of the Noise Policy Review are to identify well-reasoned, scientifically grounded noise policy updates that incorporate FAA's updated understanding of aviation noise and human response and the development of analytical tools and technologies to better manage and reduce the environmental impacts of aviation. And conduct an inclusive, transparent, and participatory process that prioritizes input from substantially impacted stakeholders, including local communities. This series of short videos is meant to provide some background for those who would like to better understand aviation noise and FAA's current policy considerations. The 5 main topics respond to the following questions we think community members might have about the Noise Policy Review. Overview of FAA NPR. Why is FAA conducting the Noise Policy Review? What is the purpose of these videos and what do they cover? This is the video you are watching now. Aviation noise basics. What is noise? And how do we describe aviation noise? Policy discussion. What is FAA's current noise policy? What are the potential noise policy changes that FAA is considering? And what are the implications of those potential changes? Your input matters. How do I submit a comment? And what will FAA do with those comments? And what are the next steps? We invite you to watch these videos in any order you prefer. For example, if you are quite familiar with aviation noise basics, feel free to skip those sections. Thank you for watching this video, which describes the purpose of the Noise Policy Review and outlines additional supporting videos in the series.